Want a new puppy but don't want the headache of getting one? How about a pre-trained puppy from Snake River Canine? Did you know that early interaction and training from 0 to 4 months will increase the sociability of the puppy, make it more likely that the puppy will be fully potty trained by age 1 or younger, increase your puppy's ability to learn throughout its lifetime, and create a more happy, healthy, and well-balanced puppy? Don't you want a pre-trained puppy? Snake River Canine is a small but successful puppy training program. We are not a breeder, but rely on breeders who produce quality puppies with the temperament, size, and colors we are looking for. Space in our program is extremely limited, and we won't take on puppies from breeders we don't know. Our favorite miniature Schnauzer breeders are expecting litters this fall, and now is the time to get on our waiting list. If you contact us early, you will be able to pick the breeder as well as the puppy that you want, and Snake River Canine will pre-train your puppy for you. If you want a quality pre-trained Schnauzer puppy, now is your chance. There will be a variety of colors and sizes available from miniature to teacup. The puppies in this video are past puppies from the breeders who are expecting litters. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more about our training program. Our website is www.snakerivercanine.com.